My name is Flood Mary and I'm a property flood resilience champion. I'm working in partnership with Ageas Insurance to raise awareness of what we can do at a home level to protect our properties from flooding. Having been flooded myself, I know how appalling it is. So anything we can do to protect our properties from being flooded is time and money well spent. The first thing we should think about is the condition of the outside of our house, because trust me, flood water will find its wicked way in anywhere. So check the condition of your mortar and also check that your outlet pipes are sealed up. The next thing we have to think about is our air bricks, because an awful lot of flood water can get into our homes through the air bricks. So this self-closing air brick will automatically shut the minute the flood water hits it. A cheaper option is to fit an air brick cover over a standard air brick. Now, one thing you'll have to remember is that flood warnings often come at 3:30 in the morning when it's blowing a hoolie, and you'll have to factor in fitting an air brick cover. So do write that into your household flood plan. This might look like an ordinary front door, but it's actually a British Standard Institute flood door. So the minute you lock it, go to bed, go to work, go on holiday, it will be acting on your behalf to keep the flood water out. A cheaper option would be to fit a flood barrier in front of your door. Now, just remember that you'll have to fit that barrier any time when the flood warning comes, so do remember that and factor that in. When I was flooded with raw sewage, and that is just awful. But that can be prevented by fitting a non-return valve into your drains. You can also fit smaller non-return valves to your washing machine, your dishwasher, and under the sink. Failing that, this is a toilet bung, and you can pump it up and put it down your toilet, and it will stop the sewage water from coming back up. Another option would to be roll up one of these absorbent cushions. They're a bit like babies' nappies for giants, and each one of these will absorb 21 litres of water. So you can roll a couple of these up and put them down your toilet, and they will absorb any water coming up. One of my favourite bits of kit is this puddle pump, which you simply put on the floor and throw the attached hose out of the window, and it will pump down to 1 millimetre, hence its name, puddle pump. Visit the hub to find more information on flood recovery.